Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about the Taylor series in here. So we have the series of sine s equals to s minus s to the power of 3 over 3 factorial plus s to the power of 5 over 5 factorial and so on in here. And this one we can simplify by the summation n equals to number 0 to positive infinity. So that should be like this. Now we have sine of s to the power of m. So this one we copy this series in here. So we put about s to the power of m in here. So I will put this one going here, 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 and here. So we need to transform this one into this one. And now negative number 1 to the power of m and 2n plus 1 factorial I will put outside, so that should be like this. Next, m multiplied by 2n plus 1. Now we have the formula in here. So the integration of this one we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.